Imagine controlling your entire home with a few simple clicks. Welcome to RF-based home automation. This groundbreaking technology uses radio frequency signals to create seamless communication between devices. Today, we explore how RF enables smart homes and simplifies our daily lives with efficiency and precision. To start, let's understand the basics of RF, or radio frequency, a form of wireless communication commonly used in modern electronics. It operates within a spectrum of electromagnetic waves to send signals quickly and reliably. RF technology excels in creating linkages between connected devices, offering remarkable range and energy efficiency required. Smart home automation works by integrating home appliances with RF-based microcontrollers. These microcontrollers act as the brain, using RF transmitters to communicate wirelessly. Imagine each appliance as a team player receiving instructions, ensuring harmony under one cohesive system for your smart home setup. Now let's dive into the setup of an RF-based system. First, you'll need an RF transmitter linked to your main control interface. This transmitter acts as the command hub, sending signals to RF receivers attached to appliances, whether it's lights, fans, or even motorized shades. The beauty of RF lies in its versatility. With ranges spanning up to hundreds of meters, it can penetrate walls and obstacles. However, successful automation also depends on tuning the right frequency, often in the 433 MHz or 2.4 GHz bands for smart home applications. Let's not forget about security, a crucial facet of any home automation system. Modern RF systems use encrypted protocols to protect signals from interference and hacking. This ensures your devices are not just connected, but also secure from potential vulnerabilities. RF automation isn't limited to comfort, it saves energy too. Devices can be programmed to shut down during inactivity, optimizing utility costs. Imagine your lights turning off automatically every time you leave the room. It's convenience and sustainability working hand in hand. RF technology also powers advanced scenarios like automation scheduling. Set morning routines where your shades open, coffee brews, and lights brighten. All before your first step out of bed. It turns daily living into an effortless, chore-free experience. The future of smart living continues to evolve, with RF technology enhancing experiences in groundbreaking ways. Its adaptability ensures seamless integration with upcoming devices and even larger ecosystems. It's more than automation. It's shaping how we connect with our spaces in a deeply intuitive manner. From simple setups to complex systems, RF-based home automation unlocks new levels of convenience, efficiency, and ingenuity. Embrace this innovation and transform the way you interact with your home. Subscribe for more tutorials and discoveries as we continue exploring the future of RF technologies for everyday living.